Smart home technology for your community. The most respected name in security allows you to easily manage hundreds of units in one location, all connected and accessible from your phone. An ADT Smart Home Community offers a premium experience for residents and prospects. Self-guided property tours of vacant units lets prospective residents schedule and tour available units on their time. A one-time access code allows prospects to easily and safely view your property. In an ADT Smart Community, residents are truly amazed what they can do with just a touch or the sound of their voice. Smart thermostats allow them to turn the AC or heat on before they arrive. Set scenes for home automation using smart lights. Easily buzz or unlock doors from anywhere with smart locks. Gain access to the gym and other amenities with your phone. And give service people access to the apartment with temporary unique user codes. And ADT offers an alarm option, allowing your community to be smart and safe. The 24/7 ADT network. ADT Multifamily integrates with a wide variety of property management software systems. Get the benefits of a 24/7 lead management tool. Move people in or out. Control exterior and common area cameras from anywhere. Get notifications immediately if there are leaks. 200 branch locations. 4,000 techs with 9+ years of experience. Members of NAA and NMHC, and the backing of 24/7 protection. ADT Multifamily, an end-to-end smart community solution.
So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Charlotte. For those of you who have seen ADT Multifamily in action before, we are more than just a home security company, more than just a commercial security company. We are a multifamily company as well. We do smart technology like many other players in the space these days. We are here at Tech Home this week to talk to you guys about smart technology in unit. A lot of you, I see some familiar faces out there, have been in a boardroom with us in the past, attended a trade show where we've spoken together, but excited to continue that conversation with all of you and just really keep the name going that ADT is more than just your dad's security company. So